Here is 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. I'll explain the wiring I just did here. So this yellow is constant battery, and brown that's for ignition wire. That's battery headlight input. That's rear right. Sorry, that's front door speaker right side, and this is the left side door speaker. So this green one is positive, and in this one that brown one is positive for speaker. This connector is for steering wheel control buttons. So this green will go to ground, this will go to key 1, and this will be key 2. Ground, key 2, key 1. And this connector I took out for rear speakers. So this is the rear left speaker, and this pair is rear right speaker. So brown is negative, green is positive, and here brown is negative and this other wire is positive. And that's the stereo we're going to put in. So you have to drill a hole in there. One hole should be enough to grab the stereo for both sides, and I'll show you a finished job in a while. And that's the finished job. I have installed completely, and it's almost look really perfect finishing. So the size of the stereo is 178 mm and height is 100 mm.